Alright, let's try something. I'm going to read a few sentences, and as you listen, see if anything stands out. Hey guys, let's get started. She's a working mom, so let's keep that in mind when assigning projects. We need some fresh, young energy on this team. You wouldn't understand. This is more of a millennial thing. Are you from an Asian country? You seem quite intelligent. Everyone bring your wives or husbands to the event. This tool is so easy that even your grandma could use it. Now, at first, these probably sound completely normal, everyday phrases. You've heard them before, maybe even used them yourself. But when you take a step back and really listen, something starts to stand out. Take, hey guys, let's get started, for example. Seems harmless, right? But here's the thing. Guys assumes a group that's all male, even when it's not. And while it might not seem like a big deal, little moments like that can make people feel unseen. Or how about, she's a working mom, so let's keep that in mind. Now, would we ever say he's a working dad, so let's consider that? Probably not. That phrase subtly reinforces the idea that being a parent is more of a challenge, or even a limitation, for women than it is for men. Let's talk about this next phrase. We need some fresh, young energy on this team. Now, sure, it might sound like a compliment, but it also implies that older employees bring less value. And that can create an environment where experience isn't as appreciated as it should be. And the same goes for all the other phrases. You see what I mean, right? The point is, we use these little phrases every day without thinking twice, but they can unintentionally make people feel excluded. I'm not saying they're meant to be offensive, they're just habits, things we say without realizing their impact. And that's the thing about language. It's more powerful than we often realize. The words we choose, even the smallest ones, shape workplace culture over time. They influence who feels included, who feels valued, and who truly belongs. That's why understanding inclusive language isn't just a nice to have, it's essential. Because language isn't just about words, it's about impact. It affects who gets heard, who gets opportunities, and how inclusive our workplaces really are. So, let's explore this topic together.